Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I struggled to install this hair. Look at that hairline, guys. Like, I'm not big on like super baby hairs with wigs, so you know, you gotta keep it natural, classy, and you know what? But the struggle, hey, the struggle was real. When I tell y'all, it took me 3 tries to slay the way I'm slaying right now. You won't believe it. You will not believe it. In fact, it took me that many tries. I could not record it all. Anyways, watch and see. But actually, before that, I just want to let y'all know I couldn't record everything just because I didn't know if it was gonna come out right or wrong again. So it's just one of those situations where it was like, okay, I done did this. It was white. It was like real choppy on the corners. It was horrible. That gel or glue, with that glue that girl swindled me, 419'd me at the beauty supply to get. God, that will show you, Pepe, auntie. You made me to buy that ugly glue that was showing white, looking as if my hair slept and saliva just gathered. Can you imagine? It's okay, Sha. Like I said, my God will judge you. Anyways, guys, watch, enjoy, and tell me what y'all think about this hair, because I love it. I love it, I love it, and I love it. It is giving me so much life. And that install, like I said, this is my first time, so the fact that I still got it in the end, I mean, it's only right that I pat myself on the back. So, well, hope you guys enjoy my half-ass video.
So guys, this is how I got the hair. It's called Formal Hair from this company on Amazon. Excuse me, I look really bad right. I'm got my little jail braids or whatever. Okay, look, all y'all girls be having it, so don't judge me, okay? Okay. So this is the hair. I have previously opened it, so this is not exactly how it came. Came a little thing like this. It is the 14-inch deep curly hair in the natural color. When it came, it was kind of in a net, and it had like this on the inside, and the curls weren't, this is like brushed out, they were more like, I don't want to say tighter, but you know how like Jerry curly type thing. But yeah, so this is the wig. It has lace in the back. It has lace all around the perimeter. And it has clips on the inside. It has 1, 2, 3, and 1 clip on the bottom. Ooh. Okay, well my hair start right there. Alright, so I have a small head, guys. So I don't know how. Like, I'm gonna make this, maybe I need to tighten it more, do something. But, yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like. You know, the lace is not bad. I did not bleach it, just because, I don't know, I just didn't bleach it. What I'm gonna be using today. Showed you guys. I'm using a got-to-be glued gel. It's not glue, it's gel. And I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond Platinum glue. The lady at the beauty supply told me about it. She had this, she used this to install her wig, and it looked really nice. Excuse my nails, guys, they're falling apart. That gel is peeling. This nail fell off, so don't judge me. I'm not this ratchet on a regular day. So yeah, she used this, and like, it looked really good. So let's see how this works. Disclaimer, this is my first time installing a wig with like this or this. I usually just sew my wigs down, just because I don't like how it looks when it starts to break down. It just gets too tacky for me, and I'm just like, ugh. I can't do that. But let's get this on and proper.
Just want to say that this glue was literally the worst decision I ever made. It never turned clear. It was just horrible. It was so tacky. I even tried tying down a scarf to see if, maybe if I get the hair out the way, it'll dry. Nope, never worked. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Eventually, I had to take out the entire thing, take the glue off of the lace, and then try it again with the got-to-be glue. But talking about this hair, I really like it. Like I said originally, it's from a company called Frontal Hair on Amazon. Really good. This is a 14-inch deep curl. Really like this hair so far. It's really soft. It does shed. It sheds a lot. The day that I got it, I didn't like how the curls were. They're kind of like jerry curled, and so I took a brush and I kind of just brushed it out to like make it more fluffy and flowy, just how I like it. And yeah, a lot of hair came out. However, it's not too much where the hair is too thin. It's, you know, it's fine. It's summertime, so I don't want my hair too thick. But yes, guys, great hair. I will be posting maybe like a 1 month or 2 week review. I never wear my hair for a month at a time, so I will post a 2 week review and kind of tell you guys how the hair holds up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next time.